Hello, dear friends. Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to download any video from TikTok without a watermark. How to do it? Very simple. To do this, go to TikTok. Now just click Share. Copy the link to the video. The link is copied. Next, we need to go into any browser. I go into Safari, and I find a site called Stick.io. That's its name. I will leave a link to this site in the description under the video. Now insert the link to our video and click the button. Download. We wait a couple of seconds. Now we choose what we want to download. I choose without watermark. We wait a couple more seconds and close the ad, and click Download. Now we open the download and see our video. Click here. Next, click Share. Drop down below and click on the button Save Video. We wait a couple of seconds more. Now we go out of here and go into our gallery. And here we see our video without the watermark. It's very simple. That's the easy way. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to leave your feedback below this video. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.